Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Gemini Air Sign. This is August monthly reading and this is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Gemini Air Sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Queen of Swords and King of Wands. I think you decided to stand by your power. You deserve best. You want best no matter what. And you are working on yourself, on your growth, on your self-confidence, self-growth especially. You stand by your power. In near future, you will be stand by your power and you are no more dependent on anyone either emotionally or financially. So Gemini, let's see your reading. Recent past, 4 of Pentacles, 7 of Wands and the Chariot. So you are holding back your emotions, whatever you are holding back because you struggle a lot in this connection. You fight for this connection a lot. Still you are very passionate, but there is no result. Maybe there is no equal give and take. That's why you decided to hold back and you decided to move on from this person. Maybe you want to give some break to this connection and you decided to move without this person. You are holding back. The Chariot, yeah, you are moving on. Then present, 9 of Wands, 10 of Cups and 10 of Swords. Yeah, there is a one type of ending between you and your person. You want this happiness but it was not happened. That's why you are guarded up right now. You are taking care of yourself. You don't want to show your emotions to anyone. Even though you are like this, 10 of Swords energy, you are very painful. So even though you are guarded up, some part of you still want your person back because you love them a lot. You want this happiness from them, but it is not happening right now. Then future, Knight of Cups, 8 of Pentacles and Wheel of Fortune. So someone is returning to offer this cup of love to you. For some it could be new person, for some it could be a past person, depending upon your situation, but some love is coming towards you. And 8 of Pentacles is here. So you decided to work on your finances and you are very focused towards your career and you are getting a lot of abundance also. And Wheel of Fortune, things are turning out into your favor. Wheel of Fortune is here. Definitely near future, things are turning out into your favor. There is some positive shift is coming towards you. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Earth sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Water sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Air sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Fire sign. Here a lot of fire energy and earth energy. So let's see your person feelings and actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity. What's going between you and your person. So Gemini, let's see your person feelings towards you. Okay, first 3 of Swords. Hanged Man. Hanged Man. They're heartbroken without you. They're stuck on you. And there is a lot of things going between you and your person. A lot of drama. 5 of Wands energy is here, Gemini. So they're feeling heartbroken without you for those who are in separation or no contact situation. And they're stuck on you and they're thinking about you a lot. And a lot of things going between you and your person. But they want to take leap of faith and they want to offer new beginnings. And they want a brand new beginnings with you. So let's see their actions towards you. Gemini, your person actions towards you, because these are the feelings. So let's see their actions. Will they take action or not? So I'm not seeing any proper action towards you, to be frank. They're praying for reconciliation. But they right now they may be concentrating on their career. 9 of Pentacles energy. For some, your person is already financially very stable. Yeah, right now your person is stuck because they're stuck. Hanged woman is here. That's why they're wishing for this connection for you, and they're suffering in silence. They're feeling very very sad without you. 5 of Cups energy. So in maybe after some time they will take action towards you, but in near future they're wishing and they're feeling sad without you, to be frank. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Gemini. Yeah, they're stuck. They're stuck, Gemini. They're unable to make any move just for wishing. Yeah, they want to take this relationship to next level, but they are unable to make. Maybe for some right now, your person concentrating on their career, especially finances. King of Pentacles, 9 of Pentacles is here. Right now, they are busy in their work for some, but they're thinking about you a lot. 8 of Swords energy. You are stuck on their mind. So they are thinking about you 24/7. I think 6 of Swords. So you want to fix the things between both of you. 3 of Pentacles, there is no partnership between both of you, but you still want rebirth in this connection. I already told you, even though you are in 10 of Swords energy, but one part of you still want rebirth in this connection. 3 of Swords with the Fool. But they also wishing that they want to be with you, but right now they are stuck. Gemini. Yeah, Magician. They're wishing, they're manifesting, but they're unable to make any move right now. For some, your person is juggling between their career and you also. So let's see your overall energy, Gemini, for the month of August. Yeah, there is a missed opportunity. You decided to walk away. You are also heartbroken. I think you both are on the same page, feeling heartbroken without each other. Yeah, maybe for some there is age difference between both of you. They want to send some message, communication. So let's see your person overall energy. Gemini. Yeah, they're thinking about you a lot. For some, this could be long distance relationship. And King of Wands, they are also very passionate. They're missing you. They're thinking about you a lot. And right now, they are not talking to you. They're undergoing some healing, meditation. They're stuck. That's why they are doing meditation and healing themselves. A lot of air energy. Your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. A lot of air energy and earth energy, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's see some messages from your person and you are pure perfection. Finances and career, I already told you, your person may be involved, busy with finances and career. Text is coming. I can't let you go. Yeah, they can't let you go. I want to be honest with you. And separation. Yeah, right now for some, you both are in separation. So they want to be honest with you and they're feeling that you are pure perfection. Maybe they right now, for some, your person busy with their finances and career and text is coming. They can't let you go. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. It's time to release negativity. So Gemini, maybe you are getting a lot of negative thoughts. You are thinking about someone negatively. So this is the message. It's time to release negativity, especially when full moon in Scorpio. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.